Welcome everybody to BC Outdoor Sport TV on location here at the BC Boat and Sportsman Show in Abbotsford. We're here with Chip Jaggard, who works for Rapala Canada. Welcome.
Rapala Canada.
Let's talk a little bit about Rapala in general. I mean, Rapala is not just your Rapala hard baits anymore. It's a big company that has a lot of different brands in it that we use here in BC, and one of our sponsors from the show, one of our main sponsors, so we get to use some of the great product here. So talk about some of the different brands there are, and then we'll kick in on the 832 Superline that is lights out as far as I'm concerned. So what do we got?
We have several major brands under the Rapala umbrella. Storm, Rapala obviously, Lure Jensen, Sufix, Trigger X, rods, reels. It's a whole myriad of brands. Plus more.
And I've had the chance this past season to use some saltwater mono lines, and of course the braided lines for sturgeon, and also some braided stuff for casting for fish. And I don't know, it's pretty good. But let's key on this. This is exciting, this line, as far as I'm concerned. So tell us about it.
Sufix 832 is the first braid that incorporates a single strand of gore fiber in the braid.
Yeah.
So the 832 stands for, there's 8 strands in the braid, 32 picks per inch. So there's 7 strands of a Dyneema fiber and 1 strand of gore fiber.
What's the reason you put gore? What's the reason they put gore in, I should say, and what is the advantage of it?
Well, all the testing and working with the scientists at Gore, what we found is that gore has a natural water resistancy.
Yeah.
It also increases the tensile strength because it reduces the amount of friction in the line. Line goes through your guides easier, casts farther, casts more accurate. You know, it's just a much smoother line.
Yeah, awesome. And again, weight or pounds it just comes in?
Starts at 6, goes all the way up to 80 pound.
Okay. What's the 6 diameter? What's the 6 diameter compared to as far as mono?
The 6 pound braid is a 2 pound mono, all the way up to the 80 pound braid, which is 20 pound mono equivalent.
So Chip, along with the 832, obviously we have lots of the monos and stuff, and fluorocarbons, which we've been using on the shows, and again, like I mentioned earlier, great stuff, supple coming off the line, no memory. I mean, I was showing some of these guys, some of the resort operators and some of the guides, and they're just like, where do I get it? So again, it's available throughout BC, all the different shops. And if you want other information, where do we find out?
www.sufix.com.
And check out the Rapala website as well for all the other stuff.
Rapala.com, Rapala.ca, everything you ever need to know is on there.
Awesome. Thanks for coming on.
Thank
you. All right, bud. Thanks.